guys, it's Lola. This video is to review this clay mask from Mimi Box. So the product is called I Do Care, and they have like 5 different types of clay mask that comes in this I Do Care line, and this one is called Take It Easy Calming Calamine Clay Mask. So they actually have bigger version. They sell bigger version of it, but they have this little box set that has like all of those five kinds in one box in this small container. I actually been using this for past few days, and I figured it's pretty good. It's actually a small amount, so it seems like about like, so I have used this 3 times, so it's going to be like 4th time to using it. It was like about like 4/5 fill of the container. I think I can use this for like 2 more times, including this time. What's really fun about this clay is that the texture is kind of like pudding. What it's supposed to do is it calms your skin, meaning it can calm your some redness. It reduces flaky surface and helps the skin tone to be brighter. Approximately this one little container contains amount for about like 5 uses. I think that's pretty fair. You can get this from Ulta Beauty as well as their official site, the Mimi Box official site as well. Okay, so now all you have to do is wait for it to dry completely and then wash it off. Just a simple wash off mask. The smell, it doesn't really I don't think it has any special scent or anything, so that's totally fine. I honestly didn't feel this at the first time I tried, but like after the second time of trying this mask, I am kind of feeling some irritation. I don't know, like some like stretchiness. It kind of feels really like cold as it gets dried. So I'm assuming that's a normal reaction of this mask because it's the calming mask. So it's getting dried. It's all dried. It's been about 15 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and wash it off and come back. Okay, I'm back. To be honest, I'm not really sure about this calming effect because my skin condition was not that like burning or like irritated condition that needs to be calmed down. But like when I read the description from their website for this specific mask, the Take It Easy, I Do Care Take It Easy mask, it says like it helps, it makes your skin tone brighter, like it calms down the flakiness and it helps moisturizing. So I mean, I can tell like after this mask, like my skin got softer, smoother. That's something I can tell, but honestly, I can't really say about the calming effect. So like, well, I'd like to figure it out. Like, I just want to see someone with some skin breakouts using this mask and review, but I was not actually able to find anything on the YouTube yet. So I think it's still good for like daily care if you have it, because it does moisturize your skin. and it does make it softer. But I actually like the ginger ale mask better because you can see the I Do Care ginger ale mask review from the card link right there. The thing I liked about the ginger ale one is that like my skin got really softer. I mean, I was able to feel it right after washing it off, so I liked it a lot. But this one is not as much as the ginger ale one, so to be honest, yes. That's it for this time, and thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more reviews and makeups. Thank you.